Good evening, one and all. We humbly request the dignitaries to take their seats and put the mobile phones in silent. My lords, may I seek leave to commence the program? Through our mother tongue, we express the melody of our thoughts. Let us now rise up for Tamil Thai Vaalthu.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரதர் கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலகர் வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறமியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you. Today is a momentous occasion as we gathered here to mark the launch of 3 remarkable achievements in our judicial system: the e-filing portal version 3.0, the e-bail bond module, and the digital transmission of trial court record software. These innovations signify a significant leap towards a more efficient, transparent, and accessible legal process. Small share and great welcome makes a great event. We may now humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sundar, Chairman, the Honorable Computer Committee, to give introductory report.
Honorable Chief Justice, sentence of honorable companion judges who are here and who have logged in from Madurai bench and other places. Then learned State Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Mohammed Jinnah, learned Additional Solicitor General of India Thiru A.R.L. Sundaresan, the State Government Pleader Thiru Muthu Kumar, Additional Advocates General Mr. Neelakandan, Mr. Ramanlal, and all the office bearers of the various associations of members of the bar, all State Council, learned Registrar General, learned Registrar IT, cum Statistics, all other registrars, staff in the registry, advocates, and clerks, most importantly. Good evening and greetings. Our in-house software team has been working tirelessly, and we have been keeping pace with multiple e-projects, be it digitization or the SUAS Supreme Court Vidik Anuvad software, translation or virtual hearings, where Madras High Court is topping the chart in the e-dashboard of the Honorable Supreme Court. On behalf of the committee, I deem it appropriate to mention 2 such activities. The newsletter of E-Committee of Honorable Supreme Court, showing virtual hearing data, which is there on the screen for you, as of 31st July 2023. This is the e-dashboard of the Honorable Supreme Court. We are topping the list at 14,35,227. Out of 25 high courts, you will have 78,82,514. We are contributing to 1/5 of virtual hearings across 25 high courts. You will see the number 29 because Guwahati is shown as 4. Arunachal, Mizoram, all that is shown. Therefore, you will see 29. Effectively, 25 high courts. We are topping the list. Then in SUAS, which is a translation tool, where all the landmark judgments and important reportable judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court and subsequently respective high courts are translated in the regional language, in our case, Tamil, we are topping the list. Please see, we have been, Madras High Court has been selected as for one of the pilot courts, and we are implementing it. And maximum number of translations we have done, and we will continue to do. Therefore, we thought it fit to have an occasion with regard to one inauguration, a rollout, and a launch today, so that it becomes visible public recognition of the work which the in-house team has been putting in. That is the objective of today's gathering. And we thank Honorable Chief for readily agreeing for this, because it would be a morale booster for all the in-house team which has been working tirelessly. That's the whole objective, and thank you so much for all the honorable judges who have taken time off and gathered here. It would be a big morale booster, and who have logged in from Madurai, honorable judges, for brother and sister judges. It would be a big morale booster for the in-house team which has been working tirelessly. As regards migration to e-filing 3.0 version, it is a giant leap in every sense of the term, as we are directly leapfrogging from version 1, which was implemented in June of 2020, to 3.0 version now. We didn't go via 2. We are from 1 to 3.0. This 3.0 version, provided by Honorable E-Committee of the Supreme Court of India, has several unique features. The list is long, and to make an adumberation of the same will make this report very lengthy. Considering the time at our disposal, I deem it appropriate to just mention a few without elaborating on the same. Version 3.0 has a separate login for advocate clerks, which was a request from them. Now it is there. Who are the nucleus of the case filing according to us. It has a separate login for litigants and government pleaders. Litigant e-signatures, online oath recording, integrated online court fee payment. Now the court fee payment is integrated. You can now, when you file, you can also ensure that the court fee is paid. You don't have to necessarily come through the other portal, it is integrated. And then reduced data entry tabs, portfolio management for advocates, automated digitization, to just name a few. You had all that running on the screen. As regards rollout of e-bail bond module, the concept is to reduce the time taken for production of bail bonds, so that a prison inmate, we're not using the name prisoner, we're saying prison inmate. Prison inmate is able to come out the same day when bail is granted. This was launched as a pilot trial project in Tuticorin district, and based on the working report of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, in-house software team has improvised the software by integrating taluks in a district and all the districts. Just an illustration. This means that if bail bond has to be given to the satisfaction of a court in X taluk, while the case or FIR is pending in another court in Y taluk, the integration will now ensure same day release. Because you will say to the satisfaction of Y court, but the Y court will not have the FIR. FIR will be in X court. You can still do it because now the integration will happen in 3.0 version. Not only the integration of all the taluks within one district, districts are also now integrated. So that has happened in 3.0. As regards the launch, we are thankful to Honorable Dr. He is not here, Honorable Dr. Justice Jayachandran, for making a judicial order directing the registry to compile paper books of records from lower courts in digital formats, vide an order dated 4/8/2023 in Criminal Appeal number 800 of 2023. The in-house software team has developed a module by which, once records are called for by any higher forum or court, an electronic request form is generated, which will be viewed by the concerned trial court forthwith, and they will then prepare the records and upload it digitally, which will be consumed by the CIS software and will be available for viewing in the concerned dashboard, including the honorable judges and presiding officers on the days itself. So this is with regard to the records being called for. And this much about the three. I do not want to make the report very lengthy and consume your time in the evening. Thank you all very much for the august presence. Many thanks to every one of you for having taken time off and graced the occasion. Many thanks for your patience. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord. We humbly request the Honorable Chief Guest to launch the e-filing portal version 3.0, e-bail bond module, and digital transmission of trial court record software, and deliver the presidential address.
Brother Justice Sundar and all brother judges. At least at the principal seat, I don't notice any sister judges here. All the law officers of the central government, the state government, in Madurai, and the learned advocates, the members of the registry. It's a paradox that a computer illiterate person is rolling out version 3. Of course, this is not, I hope this is not being recorded. Well, Brother Justice M. Sundar has clarified about the advantages of version 3. I could not put it in a better manner. I will not be in a position to put it in a better manner. The advantage certainly are much more. The records will be getting at the click of the mouse. The e-bail bonds and other advantages. Naturally, with the advancement of the technology, the advantages also would increase. Brother M. Sundar has already said that we are topping the virtual hearing chart, so also the translation of the judgments in a regional language. With version 3, the e-filing also would become more easier. So the advocates would find it more easier. With the cooperation of the advocates, I believe and I trust that we would also top the e-filing chart. Because that is the order of the day. The Chief Justice of India has a vision to make the courts paperless within a few 2 or 3 years, and that would be a reality. We cannot lag behind. I congratulate the Computer Committee and the registry for rolling out this version 3. Apart from the Computer Committee here, the members of the registry have also taken a lot of efforts for rolling out this version 3, for making this version glitches free. The registrar IT, Ganpati Swami, has also taken a lot of pains. There are other members like H.S. Hemachandar, Senior Systems Manager, Mr. Vijay Ganpati, System Analyst, Praveen Kumar, System Analyst, and the team here. So also at Madurai bench, they have taken a lot of efforts in getting this version 3 rolled out. Also at the districts, the members of the registry associated with the Computer Committee have taken a lot of pains for this. I congratulate all of them. I wish them all the success for the future. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. Gratitude is the key to happiness. We now extend our request to Honorable Mr. Justice Sendil Kumar Ramamurthy, Member, Honorable Computer Committee, to propose vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. The Honorable Chief Justice started in typical self-effacing fashion by saying that it's a paradox that he's launching and initiating these rollouts. But I must say that every time the Computer Committee has called on him with a request to inaugurate any initiative, he has unhesitatingly agreed to do so. So we thank you, sir. In the recent past, we've witnessed two events which have resulted in a sort of a paradigm shift in the way our court functions. The first was brought about by COVID-19, when perforce we had to go in for video conferencing hearings. And the second major development is e-filing. The team headed by our Registrar IT, under the able guidance, I must say particularly, of our chairperson, Justice Sundar and Justice Bharada Chakravarti, they have toiled hard to ensure that we develop the software. And I must congratulate them for putting in this effort. I must thank my fellow judges who've assembled here, judges who've also assembled at the Madurai bench, for gracing this occasion and lending their support to this initiative. I must also thank the senior law officers who are here, the Public Prosecutor, the Additional Solicitor General of India, the Additional Advocates General, the Government Pleader, other law officers, members of the bar associations. As all of you know, without the support of the bar, none of these initiatives will meet with success. So we are very grateful that you are here today, and we hope you extend fullest cooperation in ensuring that these initiatives are a grand success. Finally, my thanks to members of the press who may be covering this event and other members of the audience. Thank you one and all for your support.
Thank you, my lord. Let us now rise up for national anthem. We request the honorable dignitaries to proceed to the conference hall for high tea.